Yes, welcome to this video. In this video, I want to give you a short introduction of what you can expect from this playlist. Technically, it's a playlist where I discuss the assignment of computer rights. So imagine you are transferring all your computer rights to someone else, but you will give them some rights, but not every right. So in this series of videos, in this playlist, you will find videos that you can use in order to meet your goals. And there is a contract in here in this series of video. You will find the link in the description, and you can go to that link, you can download that contract and you can use it. The thing is, this can be really difficult. I'm going to be honest with you, it can be really difficult. So best thing what you can do is when you order the contract or when you have the contract, feel free to contact us and we will see if we can help you or not. It's technically that simple. How can you contact us? In the link in the description, you will find a link to our Discord. In the Discord, you can go to the Text Us channel, and in the Text Us channel, you can just text us and create a ticket. When you create a ticket, you can contact us and we'll see what we can do for you. It's that simple. So if you like these videos, seriously, like it. If you're new to this channel and you like this topic, feel free to subscribe. I will provide you more information about this topic. So I hope you guys like this episode, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.